Welcome to the Magic Minute from the Magic Travel Guy. Today we head to Soarin Around the World, located in World Nature at Epcot, where guests will take a flight on a breezy airborne adventure as you hang glide above the breathtaking wonders of the world. The attraction, which debuted at Disney's California Adventure in 2001, made its way over to the Land Pavilion in Epcot on May 5th, 2005, with the current version of the film debuting on June 17th, 2016. Feel the thrill as you're raised high in the air and swept from one scenic locale to the next. See the world's wonders, natural and man-made like you've never seen them before. No mountain is too high, no landscape is too far. The 180-degree, 80-foot IMAX digital projection dome, spectacular aerial footage, pleasant scents, and graceful motion raise the soothing sensation of flight to incredible new heights. Connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, and themagictravelguy.com.